How to copy your space link on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy your space link on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora app. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go to my space. Now this is my space, as you can see. Now let's say that you want to copy the link. All what you have to do is click on the top corner right here on those three dots, and then click this share option, and here you go. Now click copy link, and the link is copied successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.